Guess who's back in the house? Hello guys, it's me again, DashDoll19. Welcome back to my channel. Alright guys, so for today's makeup tutorial, it's gonna be Pink Goddess. So we here in this kind of world, there's a lot of love, relationship and everything. And so today, why not as me being a goddess of love? So for today eyeshadow palette, I'll be using Chi Cosmetics. So on my both hand, I have different shades of eyeshadow palette. So one's called OMFG and one's called Sunrise. And for today, I'll be using these two to create this makeup look. So for the first color, I'll be using from Sunrise, and she is beige pink right here. Alright guys, so after that I'll be jump onto the other eyeshadow palette called OMFG, and I'll be using this pink right here. Alright guys, so after you apply the pink color, now it's time for cut crease. Alright guys, so as your cut crease and my cut crease has been done, now let's go fill in some colors. So for the colors that we're going to apply onto our cut crease today, it's going to be no other than just a white color guys. So if you want to apply some colorful one, go for it, but for me I want to stay as what I have content for you guys. Alright guys, so as our cut crease and everything has been done on our eyes, now let's put some eyeliner and eyelashes, and I'll be right back. Alright guys, so after our eye has been completed, and now let's jump to the foundation. And then concealer. Then contour. Alright guys, so as you can see that my face is a little bit glossy from the foundation. Okay, so now let's go bake our face. And then powder time. Then contour powder. Alright guys, so after that I'm gonna go a bit under my cheekbone, and I'll be right back with some more steps. Alright guys, so after that I'm gonna go back and do something on my eyes. So if you want to edit some more on your eyes, you can. It's your time right now, so let's do it. So I'm gonna go back as Sunrise eyeshadow palette from Chi Cosmetics, and I'm gonna dip into this very cute pink right here. So after that, I'll be using this gold color right here to apply in the corner of my eye. So I am done with my eyes. I don't know if you're done or not, but now I'm gonna go on to highlighter. Alright guys, so for the highlighter, I'll be using Glow With It by Sport Girls, and I'll be using Glimmer. Alright guys, so as for my highlighting and everything is done, now I'm gonna stop it before I'm gonna hit on with some lipstick. So today, as I said, it's Pink Goddess and it's kind of pink of love. So I'm gonna show you some steps to add a little bit of cuteness with this emoji. So for the fun part is I got these love hearts that I just made and cut them, and today I'm gonna trace them onto my cheeks and everywhere that I want it to be, and yeah. Oh, they're so cute! Oh my god! Oh my god, it's just like so pigmented. Okay guys, so let's create some more. Oh my god guys, it looks so cute. Okay guys, so I'm gonna go add on this side and I'll be right back. Alright guys, so I am back. So it looks so cute. Okay guys, so for the lipstick, I'll be using Kylie Cosmetic lipstick today. And I'll be using Angel. Alright guys, so my lip is on. Now it's time to set our face. Alright guys, so I am done with this look and this is the final result. And I love it. It's so nice and so cute and so unique and it's so chic. I love it. I could wear this but I would get stared a lot and look a lot, but you know, I should be so much confident in this, but I'll find myself. So anyway guys, I hope yours turn out to be like what I have on my face. It's not as hard, but yeah guys, it's experiment, it's art and everything and I love it. Thanks to hairstyle inspiration from Bella Hadid, or is it Ariana Grande? I don't know, cause hello, it looks really nice as well. So I love them both and I love this hairstyle. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this makeup tutorial as I do. It's pretty cute and happy February guys. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to comment as well. Give me a big thumbs up. And I hope you guys have amazing weekdays and be happy. And don't forget to subscribe. I know you want to. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.